hospital ako check up na the following 2 weeks we call diabetes for there what you see onim babia ni day a ye de hwe etiti nipa dominion eba pada no hwe se yade esa no so hwe bo na ye de ton no na hwe yade esa no a enka enye sa na di nanso no ye pese ebeye household aduro se ebedru baabi no so bi so na diabetes a na pa wonu aduro okoto so bi so na obp wonu aduro okoto se ne kuma na kuma ne ya na bom kim a wonu aduro okoto no ne ye hwehwe because for general well-being ye mani pedua no wan kasa wonu aduro na na obeka ye no ya na ye ka enye de but sadanse ne basai ne ma manfo te a no mahunu de konti Dominion Herbal Powder Angels Dominion Herbal Center Limited e won kokko ye de aba no sebesebi eye duro sronko menua wutie me se wunua bi na yare wan kasa na wo yare a bomodi etu anamo ne kope bito aduro we enye aduro bi e de aba sesebio aduro na badwa so da bi eye duro sronko eye purely herbal yem frefremu yem preserve ye yenye ne hwe eye raw eye natural bomodi ne kope bi so maami bi na yare ose ne to ase twetwe no obi se ne menses emayie ebanso a yawo famu ni ade no besrewo Dominion Herbal Powder no ba bibia wo no wo de afa ne seska bi ekita wo na ayira ne koto bi ukoto a yensuohie ya ukoto a yensuohie ewo tea cup mansuo ne nyahye but emfa ngu ensuo ne mu noa what you say sagu nsuo nim na gumu abe se de ka ne titidudo ne tie no ebedi ebeba mu kama no wanom anopa before so obedidi enwumre nsuo didi wi a no wanom enu ano no enu ana ekoye adwuma ne dia ma wo de bia meba ne meka me se enum ne dodo se bia me pese sam yare entemtemi enum ne dodo da bi num ne jasa no pa ne nwumre no a ebeye wonders ni nyina dia ma wo etukwaku na ye ba ya ye de aseda soronko na mo twedi amponyankopon se ya maame na no oji achiye no na na die nti owo UK so obeba next month ana okay some month we kwa the next month ya so obeba oba se mehwe na se yade obeba me ne nyina beba adom ha se o man so abema na kasa agu ayi so because me catch ne say oji achiye me kire ne say eya adwuma ne ma no a obedi adanse ya ma me e na o say yes eya adwuma na obedi adanse enti ada se me de ne beba ana kwakutu mesrem panifo titiriw bebre anu maduro ni bia kwaku edibu a metekura no a ya na bro madwen no menti ase so a duro no asom yare na de but Ghana no minim obi o say me de me say de metie ntimi nka mesrese nka oba akopɛ entu ne hunsi wo no mo ni dis me ne afrɛ me nipa somasi manu maduro ni bi sei ni sei na tie se de be ya Ghana fo na se bi omoji omo ho akinye no enso betimi ate ase because we say Ghana ha no ye won panifo bi ho a okasa pa na obi ahu se papa we ya wakan de edem tinka mi nyo pani baako no mra out because Dominion Herbal Powder no se de ati amanfo bi twentwen omo na ase wo ho no ya na bro ya dwen ne enti ase so enti kwaku asempa yetia omo bodily pains omo waist pains omo nanti kakra na omo abre omo prostate pains and as prostate problems no omo no Dominion Herbal Powder ni bi ko pe bi to ba bi eton aduro bia me patron yen office number a obetimi dia frɛ asem bi sabia obetimi dia frɛ yen no 0543 158195 0543 158195 sanso na 0204 296449 di ohwe akra ha no onton waduro ne mfa nyemfa so ya ne bebre no anim se oton a okwaje ne mfa so obi nti no da bi ono oton ma factory nti factory price no de ma wo the number is 0249 591 843 0249 591 843 Western region and Central region 4 my number is 0248 632328 0248 632328 UK 4 ebe friend na UK 4 ebe friend na e was 0798 488 2351 0798 488 2351 na a number on betimi dia frɛ no eno no Nana Boachi Herbal Repatch Ventures Tinatet Herbal Angels Herbal Shop Tony K Pharmacy Osuhum Gapsin Pharmacy Little George Health Shop ena Abri Mountains ne de wewe nitua Asumdie House be Anglican ena Mamponso ye Dora Ochire kokomremre mo anim ha yi momra ha wo be gi number bia wo ba Adom opposite ha yi kokomremre mo ho e biscuit ne toffee ne yeton ho but yeton Dominion e wo ho kade ha repair pharmacy akwati aye health is wealth ena aguna so aduro eye nyamete ase herbal shop e wasabishin junction hillside pharmacy Owuskobi pharmacy ne antia kobam e wo enkoko menia adanse no wo ho
yemfa we num sisi enwi na
yemfa num na yemfa num na yensori menia
okay na me pressure eta ikoso pa nti the hospital ena mama pressure drew na bibia me no nti minyate mo nka wo TV so no na mama koto Dominion drew na anokwari drew no e kama pa hospital se me no me drew me pa na me siro se me jai pressure drew na mafa mo drew enso mjini na mdefa mo drew so me do no me no ami Adom wato me ko bia kwa check bia no 138 kama pa me kwa midi mo dance a chen kofu bebi kwa matotobi amane kofu bebi e wa buchi efisi ano de meka chega na phone say omunji Dominion ntun na drew papa aboa me nyame enimi aboa me pa so bi wo pressure diabetes say arena one fast Dominion Bruno ebe boa ne yare ni na ejiri flow e man ne ho ato
Ose odi eni eden enye easy
say ayana
beto ni pati
o jana na ayeden di one five mo ahye mpa wa hwe a o be kurokura dada nu musa
kwaku UK number ne ba ko ka ho ono ya number ne 0797 937 1058 0797 937 1058 your office number no 0543 158195 na WhatsApp number 2 obetimi send WhatsApp e de abisa asem e wo 0543 158195 na onimpanifo akasa kwaku asempa yetia asatente ntoponko
gabi
the years ni pan betu anamon bi pempro no omunya enom because ama ni pan bebre ho no mo ate se sugar duro ni BP aduro na de ama bebre ni me masem kura ye den akofom enti asempa yetia de besia twedi ampoja ko ya domo a asende
be se hia na
be se hia
good
that's papa
yes we da say abusia check it time no just about 3 more minutes to 4 on 106.3 FM. Na the woman say me no ba be che asem a ene ye de etuonfo ewo dwumadi eso sesia anti enko ba bia.
Is the latest Infinix Hot 10T coming this new month? Hurry now and buy the latest Infinix Hot 10T and get cool gifts, crossbody bags, sports bottles, marks, and many more. The Hot 10T is the latest addition to the Infinix Hot series. The Hot 10T has 6.82 HD plus big video gaming display with a massive 5000 mAh battery capacity. It also features a Helio G70 gaming CPU that makes it super fast for all your gaming pleasure. Buy now for a cool price of 788 Ghana cedis for the Infinix Hot 10T, which has 4GB RAM plus 64GB ROM and 888 Ghana cedis with 4GB RAM plus 128GB ROM. Visit any accredited Infinix shop nationwide to purchase.
Infinix, the future is now.
Benjamin, Kweku, nkwadai na wa he. Akwesi.
Auntie Maggie, I don't know what you move from my anopotutu to say.
Pepese waboa me, na me de momo no, ama ni sika.
Oh, Auntie Maggie Jaisa. Say momo aye easy cra. Obetimi afre wo momo. Eno an say obedial 170. That's all. Mami chiro.
Mema wakwaba ba MTN momo.
Hey, na momo yi ayem resei. Ena de bia me keke mo friend kwadai. Chia, afa.
Ma, o friend.
The dada afei na waba. Eye jai. Miama ye.
Oh ma.
Akwai bebre wo ho a odi betwa wo momo. Eno an say wo be frɛ 170. Na watie wo momo manu no e wa kan. Aigbe nkran. Brofo dagbon hash not the steps no so momo said your penubia fre 170 another dial star 170 hash. We are good together. We're there for you everywhere you go.
I see you. Quality security door in a new space. Why affordably? What be man paint depot? And the door master. Why you 5 to 10% discount? One quality security doors. And then see for contracted. When you road marking paint. What be man paint depot? Paint to quality biara usual. Sisi ara why you paint and pay later. Jessica Kakra. That's 3 months. It's Yankee. And see if you was asking me what done here. Put them paint depot. I must stop and see one time. 054-2745-222. So I crack Kumasi Highway. Put them on Tobu to
No matter the culture that may change the tradition, no matter the rhythm that may change the groove, we still remain the same. Because it's the same great taste that brings the same great memories. Your favorite Club Minerals is now Club Sparletta. Yes, Club Sparletta with the same refreshing flavors. Muscatella, orange, soda, and tonic. Go on, enjoy the new Club Sparletta. Club Mineral, now Club Sparletta, is still your favorite soft drink. This advert is FDA approved.
Hello, Epacho Weni.
Hello, I'm a Yabweni. Yemo Jinkwa, when you're 10,000 Ghana cedis. Ane 10,000 Ghana cedis a big wabosu. Nanso ansana banyesike. Just money a bribika crebe the home mobile money number you swa. Mobile money pin number count. The what you really at Jusikano. I simple crash.
Da wo ho so MTN adwumayefo mfrɛ say tuesika anampo send the credit bia ansa na wabedi akyɛdeɛ bi a wadie ansa na wabedi akyɛdeɛ bi no na wato ho akradeɛ kai sɛ wonfa wo mobile money pin ɛma wo bia de bia da ɛyɛ wasumasɛm sɛ wopɛ mu nokora frɛ 100 ana bora MTN service center bia na wɔmmoa wo nimkyerɛmu wobɛtumi nso abɔ amanneɛ ɛwɔ mmfraud.gh@mtn.com ana text call 1515.
MTN, everywhere you go.
Ghana Numina had the boss. Ofie Kwanso.
Jerry Justice on Adom FM
106.3.
Ofie Kwanso with the man Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3.
God of impossible, all that say. He's the rock of ages, ancient of days. He's the living God. He's the God of miracles, God of impossible, all that say. He's my rock, ancient of days. He's the living God. Oh, Medonyamia.
And that's the new one from Becky Bonnie, featuring Uncle Ato, Nyame Wahoda. Now by Kind Kelsey DBS Roofing, Door Master and Pubiman Paint Depot, and MTN. The Baba Shasemwa, the editor for an area. I will feel consumed so Adom 106.3 FM. Happy birthday to Mami Akosia Kunedu Asa, aka Mami K. May the Almighty God guide and protect you in Jesus' name. From Uncle Jerry Oheneba and Daddy Eugene. And this one here says, Braja, help us honor a great mother, wife, daughter, and friend, Mrs. Lillian Ekuba Nyamikedzo Afolabi. Wow. as she celebrates her birthday today. She is the definition of Proverbs 31 woman. And Rashid, Michael, Maxwell, Michelle, and Manasseh Afolabi. We all wishing her a happy birthday. May God bless her abundantly. We love her so much. And now we also call Emma Madame Dorothy Ferguson. Oh yes, Net Flat, Tema Community 5. Today happens to be your birthday. Oh, okay. Yesterday was your birthday. So a belated one to you. Yeah. Madame Dorothy Ferguson of Snake Flat, Tema County 5. Yesterday was your birthday. Hope you had a good one. From your children, especially Kwame, who is back from the US of A. Wishing you a happy birthday, though belated. Me turn my me muto no what you answer me. Happy birthday, Uncle Emma Sinclair, Nana Yao, Auntie, from your father, Eric of Message Boutique, Kokomlemle, Accra, Ghana. Wishing you a happy birthday. Good afternoon, Jerry. Please wish Samuel Brian Boabing a happy of the MPP a happy birthday for me. With your archery, Agunenkum, Nejay. And a happy birthday also going out to my baby brother, Pastor Akins Abrokwa. The message here says, age gracefully. And a big shout out going out to the family. And the family is also wishing you, that's the entire family is wishing you a happy birthday as well. Pastor Akins Abrokwa. And this one came in from Kasi in Kunim Abrokwa, all the way in Germany. And special greetings going out to you. Obonana. 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 Nyame Ohodawati, Bibia Befine, Obonana of the Ghana Police Service, Tessano, Nyame Kaominia. Jerry, please wish my lovely dad, Mr. Samuel Kwame Ej Anson of Nkoko Kwewu, a happy birthday for me. And may God Almighty bless him in Jesus' name. From Deacon Frederick Nana Asante of Mount Zion Assembly of the Church of Pentecost, Southampton, England. I feel you assume na yenti asem ne yedi tu honfo e wodwumadi eso. Da 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 da. Do do do. Da 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 da. Di di. O de oti ona. Seriano wasre sa o. Edwuma na me na o. Edwuma me na yo siro. Esa o. Esa. Ya pon. Oh my goodness. Okay, so enra na me no share nkomo bi ase na me ka cho say ne nyame e de chen e beto aso na fe o chance so de dom ye ya na ya wie ne kra. Now it is under the theme believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. It enra de na ye share na o say the world is a very mysterious place. What you send out comes back to you, and what you sow you reap. Don't give in to your failure. Know your worth. Ho enenra ye de esi. Se wi ase nan kasa na aye ne hunhunten hu bita nya bibia na behu ase akusi ase sa ne ade a. Nemum de free unchen ko no esa ba wo nchen. Ena de utua no udua no eno aso ena utwa. Eno nti se nkuguo de bi ba wa kwan mu a manyi ntum se wo de sa esa se wo gitum sa de a ene sa na be ba wa kwan mu. So what I say, as I say, who say, Osombo, and no right share. And at the end of the day, twice on what Professor must say. Make sure you don't start seeing yourself through the eyes of those who don't value you. Don't let others choose your path for you. Tiene dieni bimu, and that dieni pipa. Still under the theme, believe in yourself. I say, make sure you don't start seeing yourself through the eyes of those who don't value you. Don't let others choose your path for you. Or say, hweye pa. Ena, one shall say, ewo. One more sabe emu kra no eniwa emu. Say. Wankasa utimi etu anamon ema obi entu anamon ema said your mouth no mo jotum efa na omsusu se sa na ote no se won so accept ne sa de a ene sa na be ho. But if amount for value omo so fa so bia no ye omo bu nka ho bi no se omo edu e wo sa kwan no so na so gitum se sa na man for se me yese ntie ne sa de a na sa na pese ho de ma wa. But if they tell you you can't do it, you go back, you do your homework well, and then you tell yourself, I will make it happen. Then you work hard towards your goals. When you achieve your goal, when you reach your goal, success never. Those same people value na no so de enka wontimi ye no, they will come back to applaud you. But if you listen to them and if you see yourself in their eyes, or if you see yourself through their eyes and believe in what they say about you, so de wo no wontimi ye hwe a onya achiever wo de wontimi ye hwe a ene esa na beba wa. So you need to challenge that. Diomo keka kire ona nyese wonte wate yese wo de osu nimfa so bia wo de nida so bi anu so yese wo de wontimi nyehwe o ja no ade we o ja ho onfa nkosi ba bia o e common ete sa wo ba bia efie bia mu bi ho ye be ka de abu abam sesi a. But se wo gitum se nye ho de a sa ne be ho. But se wo believe in yourself one ka sa wo gitum se this is what they are saying about me, but I refuse to let that be. I will keep on fighting till say menso metimi aye bibia ma edim no mo hu se menso faso e wo menso. If you do that, will be defeated on my mindset about you. Yen fe no wa na nyame ya adom ochina yen fa concluding part nimra na ya kele no under the theme believe in yourself. Edition so na de na ehwe no, was make sure you don't start seeing yourself through the eyes of those who don't value you. Don't let others choose your path for you. One kasa tu anamon. You be the bet yourself for courage. One kasa nimzadi we obisi enye. Unim se hono, that's not where your strength lies. And so I'm out for say no. One kasa hu dia we be ye ama. One kasa twa anamon. E mo bin twa sa anamon no tu sa sa ne ma. One kasa tu anamon. E be we what? Asedani Edema DBS Industries Limited. Osebeje are losing trusses. Na efa kokuru edan so. Na asem emfa na asem ko. We oni edua bia ni asem. What I say, the duade and can cabet me are, and then we are bakery young one, then papa. Eh, ni say, na, say, ni. Oh, it's Branebe GDBS. I losing trust CB. Never crew dinosaur. Precope. Not just asumdri aba. We are more 100 years warranty. It's as in him say and say and yes, we know a lightweight intino and fat pressure be a dinosaur. Would the good dance with the chance in Guswa after everlasting. Red shark quiet on the sprinters would do fear so and Chibia no do papaya restaurant. It's on the BR friend and you try free estimate now 0240 844 444 Kumasi 4 and Fred 050 600 4141. Takrade form Fred 050 600 4242. As they do Yemfa Emma Door Master and the Pubima Paint Depot. Boremu na ebeje a quality security doors with Turkish, German, and Italian technology. Enjoy a 5 to 10% discount. Quality doors here so over 100 designs and colors. And yet choose your choice. Doors range from exterior steel security doors to internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors to armored doors, bathroom doors to glass doors, wooden panel doors to wooden metal doors, flash doors, glass doors. Just say door biabi bra nebejo de keke simple and titia. Ubo real paint ya from where ya partner with News Paint. Yeah, nay, ya de share some by a friend of Paint Now, Pay Later. It is schools, hospitals, churches, offices, government institutions, individuals, real estate developers. Mombrana magic paint papa News Paint. I'm a fanco paint more than I would. Yes, spread this kind of mom, trip and crack. Ewa Brian for interest be a anchor home. Ye Euro standard News Paint. You will more acrylic, emulsion, enamel, road marking paint, marine coatings, waterproofing, dampproofing, wallpaper, wall primers, putty, any paint accessories I would want in now. Ranch Aquine, Accra Kumasi Highway no so. Pubiman, Wani or your Pubiman to booth one. In fact, say Ujna Pubiman to booth wa when he etria shop num. Friend not your Nikita home 0542 745 222. I face 050 021 2447. Now on a door master and Pubiman Paint Depot a D in Kitao. The crack criminal your fast day do my MTN and they free after one and your bone de Rudy Amagana man sign Nina and say we no more kakese. Casasa metin will be a comobi episode didina. We are no to the first minute of the call. The rest is absolutely free. Yes, always I enjoy 50 MB of data at their browser for free. I can home. When it is you phone to see about star 550 hash. Now, was subscribe to MTN free after one, then you stay connected because we are good together. Terms and conditions apply. MTN, everywhere you go. Throwback Thursday, new girl in town from Nkase. That group we are feeling. See what I do see. Ah, my body, you dey hear what I do yeah. Hey, you dey see what I do see. My body, you dey hear what I do yeah. She go be a sugar in my go-go. 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 Sexy go me no sexy go me no she got no. My body, you dey hear what I dey hear. A new girl in town. Oboro, you dey see what I dey see. There is a new girl in town. My body, you dey hear what
the sugar in my cocoa. The butter in my bread. She go be the sugar in my cocoa. The butter in my bread. The way she dey walk out, now he dey do me. The way she dey tassel out, now he dey do me. The way she dey mora out, now he dey do me. The way she dey tassel out, me too I want that so girl. Ya want my lolo, that I'm over here. Ya want my lolo, money on the come over here. The way she dey walk out, now he dey give me. The way she dey tassel out, now he dey give me. The way she dey mora out, you don't turn me like so big. Oboro, you dey see what I dey see. Mama di, you dey hear what I dey hear.
Adom FM. Oh.
You cute, baby, you fine, you fine, you fine, baby, you cute, you cute, you cute. I like the way you dey waka, I like the way you dey yanga, I like the way you dey waka, I like the way you dey yanga.
Baby shake, baby shake, baby shake, baby yo.
Baby shake, baby shake, baby shake.
Royal Aroma.
I beg this one.
This is almost the same.
So this one dedicated to all the.
Omo added the first fortified rice about Ghana. Yes, you been see that.
Today.
Royal Aroma for Nakofa Diaba. Your friend Royal Aroma fortified rice. Come on, pa. Nutrients be to say iron, zinc, vitamin B3, B6, B9, as well as B12. Ashemu must bit. Every serving be amount at least 15% of your daily requirement of these nutrients. It is a mona bedding quadia busia. Kai Royal Aroma fortified rice. Our market baby.
I down come. I've been up on the TikTok, my system of few sano. Hey, strong co. No one pronounce on this. I'm on Campo Muncotina. I want Farco, Mumako, make them Mako, Edubako. When I'm be that. Shine your eye. When I'm be that. Shine your eye. When I'm
Throwback, Papa Parati. The patrol rent to own Abba Ghana. I am talking about the planned city extension project. It's a new bit me as our rent out to an out the sana to say Abayodia. Yes, we a Ningo Pram District Assembly and the partners with support from the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development and the UN Habitat and a Debrewo. So be smart where you live and where you trade matter. Wait me only if you announce fully serviced commercial land or space. Now they do media episode. Don't forget to join our affiliate housing cooperatives now. Or may apply for the special Lifeline offer. Yeah, lasting up to the 31st of October 2021. Opesoni Dinkita Hua. The patrol phrase 055 55 30300. And I say 0577 911 101. And a 055 705 4635. Website newAccra.city. The planned city extension project shaping Ghana's urban future. She go get Royal Drinks, or see you go like them. Full four classes say Casa Precon Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Akofadiaba. Anuswa Dese, your Royal Apple, Royal Cola, and then Royal Orange. Nina de on Sabe Kabiamuye. The two the answer Babu Bobisa, near the Adia, Nadia Coenimuan, why enjoy Ania. What I say. 2 series 50 pesos no ajibako available in a shop near you. The door power phrase 0262 351 251 or 0272 133 373. I sort you one time. Yenina ebe get this insurance ya de bia hu hia pa. Ya na utua na ese usu. But asem to now ni insurance and I say yes. Hu hia pa say dwumedie bia udie bia utimi insure. And it's a way you can farm say Insure with Phoenix Insurance. Say by our business, bit me I'll grow from strength to strength. And you rise again when there's a disaster. Now when disaster strikes. Oba Phoenix Insurance, I hear you to up claims quickly. Tempana. Your policies be brave. It includes fire, motor, accident, marine, engineering, as well as bonds. And they crowd me to insurance policy. And they find a short code. So a *389*79*. Equal you with me our friend or 0302-246-319. And our fee 0243-690-492. Insure with Phoenix Insurance and experience a delightful service delivered with wisdom. And right now, make us my work, me second job, no. I make sure them read the Beconia, me da fine, me sorry, you should say, Guzujam now, so I near the idea. The patrol, bia, corner call was second one, why not in free? Yeah, the two general public in there anymore, especially persons are more so central municipality. Taking note of the second dose of the vaccination. More vaccinated from the 1st to the 9th of March 2021. Now, mon cher, now we shall say here and the 19th of May at Tuamwa Copim the 26th of May 2021. Now, vaccination will cover the following category of persons: frontline health workers, teachers in public and private facilities, 50 years and above, persons with underlying health conditions, persons 60 and above, frontline security personnel, frontline members of the executive, legislature, judiciary, and media. Any vaccination center be no bit me a call, but I call baby I call vaccinate here. Take you first one, yeah, second one, dear man, that's why cool, come apart. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's about that time we bring you around the world in 5 minutes with Sir Scott. Boko, Adi, Siwawa, Siwawa,
on that note, Friday you my mama also
you were studio.
Brother, say me biaboko.
I don't need to be fine.
When you be did you so there?
I be diffufu.
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. But me shower Mrs. Azu. Come and then man fed be an amba. Now, me share time in the dinner and I'm zoo and the almost benefiting me. Could do Tamas kitchen. Me Tommy Boasina, who's there on some quine there. If you inquire Papa, Tino, machine and I'm a church, I'm a teaser, and I'm a Kowania there.
And I'm once an idea.
My bomb of Ruma. Now, dear, me didn't know how to miss them, their bank crying. I didn't tell my. Oh yeah, my fine part of you.
Bradley, no be beside some say or co-relationship, mom. Now relationship now will come no. What per se me chen say wo ba no. You be a obe pe obi like obe you be obe gigi ska. Intimate ho emuaye ebre no.
Say opese who say
oba na relationship
no.
Yes, oba kai ajiska. Yes, and it won't tie. Brother,
yes.
Say oni ni didi. Na aduane ni besi ho. Na say oba no ede ne nsa kanam ansa na wedi aduane na. Onkwete.
Say oni oba no didi.
Yeah.
Na odi ka de ne nsa ka enam no
ansa na wa
touch food na.
Onkwete.
Hey,
research na my no. Obeti e bebo no.
Yes, even yamu.
Oh, that be aya.
E bia ne kwado nam no. Bia no obedi mo but
Brajeri. Me too ma emema no fumo mo fa. Me say what enam na ansa na wakọ aduane no so a. Brajeri. He should quit the relationship.
You are trying.
Brajeri. The only thing I will be in Africa without connection is HIV. The only thing I will be in Africa without connection is HIV.
Africa, the BBI is a connection.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Brother, yeah. Who say? I don't know how to say this. Brother, who say? And ma one more tie etna bema so. So woman di empaso agora.
Say when they are making love.
When they are making love.
And the woman sits on the man.
Yes. And man omo tie etna mema no so. Most of the times no omo mano any ebeye Okada riders.
Yes, baby.
Most of the times omo mano any ebeye Okada riders. Omuni ebeye Okada riders.
In love making. When the lady sits on the guy. And then a result in pregnancy. Yeah. It's like Pizza Colano. Ebeye
Okada rider. Yes. Ebeye Okada rider. Yes.
Oh, that's good.
Yes.
Okay,
and I'm going to what possibly I'm going to stories. Yeah, I'm going to stories. Brother.
Yes.
The bank men kaida me this story in the brain. I think say na me ka say almost say ukọ parish traffic no. I know what the pa.
Yeah.
I me be ka say almost omo yen hihye by 2022
to reduce traffic. Yes.
Yeah. In fact, I think say akwenya omo di gu mu a sse impenifu approving it is being approved.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And you know, by 2022, the good news will come. The good news will come.
That's nice.
Now, Nicolas Sarkozy, a former president of France.
Yeah.
Nicolas Sarkozy.
The Obuni.
Oh yeah, my Tommy was or your president. No, say madam for pa.
Oh, okay.
Intino na say me to me was say. Na braje madam for ya anti say pa un say 2012 em say the campaign bi okoye ye sika bi ni ade ade. Ye bo no kwedu say em say sika bi afa ne nsase. Ye bo no kwedu say sika bi afa ne nsase.
Okay.
Eno intino wo mo kire say omo atwene Fred say kide bo down for. E de ne kwa akogina. Asim dibia ebisa na no although no omo ye investigation omo bisa no say sa onim ho hwede but still I know wa wudi mabrofo no dada until say omo behu no de brajeri
akwan bia
brajeri wudi me say me ba na manfa COVID-19 asamo amba Taiwan and Singapore wa wabusuani wo ho na say wuko kotodwe ni mu na wo bompaya aya na wakai wo mo aya na wakai wo mo pa brajeri esanse COVID-19 no na eniama wo form kakra che say no nam so krama restrictions wo de mam no mu easy na kakra de ma wo mo but asia pagya ni mu enu ntina ma emse eniama sign koso asha o ma start to 1 or 2 niema bia public ne tai kogu ho it is a restaurant na dem so mu kogu didi ni ade esan said numbers no start air rising into the credit wo mo say additional wo say wo ma say ai den air to send be ya wo metimi ama ade no abafo into wo ko Taiwan any Singapore na che say niam air koso Rajeri
I got you
stories ni dem this
okay
na mo mense mo me be ka dem fancy Rajeri
yes.
Can I tell you something?
Go on.
Brajeri.
Yeah.
TME.
Mitiopa.
Makabako.
Okay.
San TME. Brajeri TME pa.
Susu to bomb. Yes.
Mental bomb.
Okay.
You see, I am mom get me wrong. Okay. You see, Brajeri. Who date oba we yetia? Problem be enim.
Who date oba?
Brajeri we dey TME pa. Who date oba? Or yetia or ye shorter. Problem be enim. Na problem na ne say abra wesi niama na watwen asa wo be ma no be fi edwuma mu aba na waba be hata niama no eno ne problem no what you say wo be si niama
yeah
na watwen se wo be ma no be pu afie dum aba na waba be hatania man esanse wo ndura homa no that is the problem
and the problem
the problem
kenya za de anka height
the problem ye ni two gradually
yes
emma wo mo ye short problem bi eni ho but problem no enene say gradually se wo mo fa efuru na wo mo san ehye atale a eye red da esi wo mo na ase a na o ma se fire extinguisher
oh
yeah as the way I form no be no na akwai se fire extinguisher aha yes gradually LSS ko wo kwa chimodan ye free krobi kajebi na just wo kan
na
wajebi French ni be ka cho se jevel
capel
na just gradually what tete day
ye be cho
gradually macro
that's it. Still throwing it back. BUKBAK. Look back with Kaka Chufan. Kakadru. Ginger. The fall baby and I will say
Ofie Kwanso with the man Jim Justice on Adom 106.3 black and white, black and white. Cafe ma fait que plan on here day to day. Ikipa, campo lumine basele. Il fallait 7 days de wada sule. Sule yamagati yaku kabele. Chaskele ko file zip kabele. Abele ko toku o mi fu onyon tele. Popolo ma sex machine abele chani. Too much Abyssinia. I can't ajele tele me fence mon sane. Bakelen tamang mami kenyon chele. Quality good time guarantee jamale. Au point nakano sumo boka chake. Mada put the ginger and trouble the kaka shofa obusa. Le ko bashe obagusune. Mankota mankono. Pure anti-dede. Alumi o mami sele bone chombo dade. Aye.
Ablamo gobi.
E mami chula ne he mangi kapobi. Mapadi kacham de duo kaka motobi. Abu police. Kacham make it sabi.
Happy birthday in advance going out to Honorable Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe, Minister for Energy. And this one is coming from Emilia Isampon. Going out to you. And it goes on to say, may God bless you. And from Ifia Achre as well. Happy birthday to Madame Juliana Abuaje, the MPP constituency chairperson for Kole Clote. Wishing her good health and long life. From her daughter Nadia Sumwa of NLA, and then Abednego Asante Esiedu. Clote anyways, Yamfa irrigated sports and Twaso. Na Yanko Yenim. It's about that time, baby.
Well. Please, irrigated sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Irrigated sports. A papa. So listen to irrigated stuff. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too. Sofo Kumchacha.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listing alligators sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other for me didn't this Sisi Chum. That they be irrigated sports. There's no day minty irrigated because me tia manage na me stress.
Nice one.
Over. The open program one, Denny Sham, Fast Sports one. tie Irrigated Sports Adom 106.3 FM. The famous John.
Nice one. Kwame akwaba.
Akome Joso.
Mpomu ti saying.
Eri ampo na Adom kwa tempo anu de. Na anwene ma de we.
All right. Adia kwa akwaba.
Yadro.
Somewhere.
Oh nyame adom.
Nice.
Na ofani a obo ye na. Emra hum say Kwame Debbie next 2 weeks.
Next 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Akwaku ya ba ya montan kaka so.
Me say enne na awotwe mienu.
Enne na awotwe mienu.
Yeah, by this time ye ni akokora offer. Nso wa bisa che. We will be one person.
And Thursday.
Oh yes. And we say offer oko memene da sorry. Or Adventist.
Okay. One cancer dey kan ko fo ko see aye.
Debi. The woman say empenimfo ntoto omo ye no. Wednesday I think Wednesday 3rd June.
Okay.
3rd June. And on the betum pem anopa no. Ebie su be no motwe na ma de achen ya wada anopa.
Okay.
Ansana omakokra no na say ya wada no ma ye yie ani fiada na memre da no makoda nyame ase it's a 3rd 4th 5th June
oye SDA ni
inye
SDA ni mapa
yes on ye na on fa ni SDA eni agro na okọ sakra wonu SDA hososo dia opani wo pa eye nso be koso sakra wonu sakra wonu ya
ti adofo ni ajamfo MSC
en hye ne so se ene na watwe mienu na ye be kra se dwon aye na yie nti na omo na atwen date no ze the date na nyaba yeah
kwaku man here o se odeni phone 2 cars so agire ya twetwe ni hai the friend say
men ko boni din sa
ani modin babi obi on fa me bone nche me san say me so me phone na yira under the same circumstances
udu phone 2 car
yeah
asama ato minuan kwa me anka ujai ma
ena watu ka na ja no
me say ade to wani enye wa na yi ntipacho aka wanu tum na nka me de yawo ene areko ese emanfo se minuan eye kwa me obo ade ato nani ade ato nani no we say me sure say ye ba fie kura anka enko no ho ti say ye ana unim say ogina nyimo nyina o checha se mu chenya ni atata nsu unim say kwamiti we ni fieri ni dwa so nyina ne
ne phone
say enso to wanka hana e fa Crawford dem ne ko fa ne dem kra enye ne ya say ne phone na
yeah
because phone no de ni bibia ati say the short videos ni ade a wo ye nyina
say me awe
the phone no ani no wardrobe
me awe
ni bibia
scanners Kwagwene se
won to car no so
wakrama bi obusi wa hu na me free ha call no na because the whole day we need die to me pay bankum wo kwa 7 kwa koma no to me call ya me titi ban me banku na ma me di kan
mix yeah
me photo na me nya call me for call no na me sana ye nkwan
na wo she krama abone ze na mo na da so nya nam ketwa
o me kama de me di na ma sha na aka na ho tuwa ma na kra woni
Grama bio o mi bio o je se o bobo kasi na man na ompe fresh one
e kan de pan na odi
am say me ma bobo kasi mama
o go do no kapra o no de ro
ze na grama ba e dwa papa
se na o de share ni
kan na nka mu di bola so
se kan na de ba share no na e be kan
o fresh
o bobo man ma
se wona krama ta chat mu se ye nyina ye mo no se ya dwe na so se ka wota masia ni paso te se krama ya
be me nyintum ze ye mo
because o ye timi train krama ma ni ko dwa so dia
obani enya mo asa me de me nyintum
nyintum ze ni pa kwa kuti me nya ko ni wie na so we de me fan to ha na me ko me se wi amafa se me de ni ko hwegu mba na me wura free bakwaku the American phone ye so say e bia na atowura
e beto around ne wona
because since that day me de ma do free no be see anopa de me hunu ye de
me ba wo efia asem na kan ya na site
bakodu fie wie na me de aduane ko ma no site it is site only 2 years na ma atọ
se e ho na wagi ba bi kakra je se o peja bibi kakra si o se waja ayi
se na no me futi no
me ba o
waja eso de no
asase na to ho e na insumi ho no ani bra na me
se eso asase se
nyina nim so asase wa buri bo nim se na no insumi a so wagi bi o
a
kwa ayi se
brother site
my Mr. Hayford say or my you Mr. Hayford na oye ya say
na obani na say odi aduane ma kan ma ni wie na oyire fi ho
we free some the phone ato ade so nti mi tu bedru fie na e mo chika ka be say free akọ police station ho tesano police station
okay
na me ka say me dey ade no to so no ma fa ti me koya kran kofo bi mo ho kra no wani abria je so mo nyina nam wura mo bi e boa me ba me ya ma hu but say
na ofre ko
be sin them encoder switch off up to now nti obi a wa frame bia no wezum say
o phone kwa na echi ye kokko
gold nti me obi a sa mo mo repair phone obi di phone bi ba say e bia phone obi na off mo charge ma no na ma hwehwe me dia ma me de say gold na case sha ho iPhone X Max
na say anyway there some obi hu bia de bro say o picture kra wo so ne ade
utimi mie no ko hu picture no say
o da bi say you obi atimi ye no screen lock still
obi cha ko pictures
enye so ko show pictures like there was no unza me me say bibia say ni o normal iPhone 4 dia nti say sa dia
but na obi anya odi ba ko na wanya
but you de wanya no so no on charge phones eduma on charge na your friend na me can yes so etimi ni kasa
o le kan nzo mfa maji Huawei kra ya beto Huawei ama
oba me wa charge kase de ma no apart from that no kra no anya dia phone obetimi use
yeah
because den tia me mloko ye nyina na say bia na me wa rechem say bia na
ni pande aba
na o dia aba nti me se me kra me ko twa e eto
o pupu an ire nti ya dia cho
twa o chim no
but me catch but
na me kan say o na ire nti ya fan
ani a chim
Same no, in Kaya crowd, waiting in case of your friend. Na ebia, it's more pay phones, more motor phones. You gonna do circle, Miss Ramwa, will be Saba.
My to autocrass of a brain.
Circle they do there. And circle
I'm say kwame phone ya ire ya de but yesi epunu bi muto a na epunu bi bi. Okay say minim say man ya na o US your phone break kwame say nko nton ya. Media distribute to na on fama mi. Ebesi nei papa no maintenance.
Mama media ko jani mi aba akora tu sa phone kwa de nka ho.
Phone na me kan sa nti no say fa ko
na mitimi nton. Abo no na mitimi nton.
Ana na ntimi nton no dey just
enti. Kita me suro. First na ye for something.
Then phone
11.
Na 11 so turn ahe ante anu so awu.
Na bi on no turn $700 ho ba kro mu ano minimum bi onyom supply. Cheaper.
Na so ono so ntimi nye ne sa.
Eti bi me ye say o ye say fa komani nua ba ntimi akwa koma no.
Friend ka jen say dia tu ni.
Eti kwaku u de
o mani nua ba no fa ma back. O de se me no amfa ma me a o de ebisi osu ntimi ntimi.
Sabe ka fra che onipa kro wu nti yesu kra no a ye beja ni ahem.
O de bompai na me do circle because they say boys na e wa they say circle o de enya du a. You say anka top phone de. Yeah, one.
Obi de o mutimi mi.
Kwame me si jai. Kwame Mrs. say no boys now almost be the apple. Can in our iPhone we are there.
They will plug into my iCloud.
That
one that can bet my last penny.
iCloud now or the other one. None Obi and use iPhone or use iCloud.
Medium use. And
I'm missing the two now use not the we are not use also say.
The iCloud you can't use the
phone. That's now way. Come in the out there. Mrs. say boys next be the apple.
I can use the phone. I can use the phone at a click.
And me can we receive ya then what else can you do?
O ti bi nyane hwe.
O that's now way. O that's now.
Screen. Share. And you have a password share with pa. I have access to the I can make
Kwame, me phone I rapping. Ama me na no right there in my car. Na me wo na me so me laptop na me na. Me raise bibia na me yifi my account me bibia na me say onipa no on fan ko.
Ems obi nim so phone ira na send me message wa say eje ku tell body to reply to his WhatsApp messages wa.
That phone ira.
Kwame phone ira nya bo afa yo.
Phone ira reply ne there.
Ayi brother say they can use the phone simple. Now the circle guys has
o dey make o dey try. Your mom pay say nkodi ho. Ekodi ho dia.
Ye modua de but opani ma ye mama mfo aso nti se wani twa phone no so na wantu ho fo na wamfa ma.
Nda so da fa.
Uyi edie ena wasi ano kwan e wa brabo mu. Amen.
There are lots of comments coming in about
concerning the open.
iCloud there now. Say betimi e cheap gra.
020 be manyan for the meantime yan kasa minim number no. Dey no be ni be business urgent chat.
On fa no so won.
Me fa number into dwa on. Okay, they say Bachawa every Saturday ye nya program MC a ye nya bi ento phone bi nshim. Na we a temporary
number chip no
a Vodafone me boy na just say what Vodafone area to them
oh
o me let you money for
na me dey before
and say ka we wa na say Vodafone chip idi
where's that
me wa show you Vodafone for one tip pa
Me woni nyina
ɛna meka sɛ agrɔmfo yɛ nwia ma na sɛ
boda number no na to aso na ɛsɛm
ɛhyehyɛ botɔ ketewa no mu a na
this botɔ madam ni phone back
number ni unim sɛ meka sɛ boda fofo bɔ mpa sɛ phone no sɛ bɛ ya number yi wani bɛkɔ patro kwa bɛ ade
ɛna onim sɛ phone ya san ɛsɛ ekura yi no ni ti ayi ekura sɛ lock in ya because ɛniɛm yɛ san wɔ so contraband because say ayi
ask on iCloud you
I say ayi ɛna wa because ɛniɛm wɔ so no ɛna sɛ real ayi fo yi say wɔn ɛniɛm a wɔn di ba nyinaa wɔn bɔ
no
so yɛ sɛ wɔn nyɛ bɔne kora real men bɛ wɔn yɛ bɔne real men
number ni is 050-602-3611 China phone na dey we na tum no so na eda tum ampacho yi free to
o better friend number
da bia no bi be free CCA kwame number no CCA 050-602-3611 Tiba mcho kwame temporary number so
use free African margin for mama na
050-602
na dey o ka say unim grofo when you born number oh can't forget it
enye ko papa bi
requirement
obi on ma pay number check na nyame na ama
na do mama ibazia on Friday say number na enu anu keke obi betimi afro wo fa ka hello oh na me hwe say correct
why ayi me kai say me ba ha foforo na why ayi announcement say me pedan oh enumrebe amanfo frefrefre enumrebe 8 9 baby na panipa wa frɛ mira na yesi o pe baby adu ti beto oh enya den kra me wodan mo na obi antena mu da wasi akwa
ya se kreye ki ba o
we should come in from mo ahibia
ya come on pon na
meeting kan na ya oh na say su akwa na ayi nkran de yi say ko ben wani abren kwan ya
anya se wo mukra
bi na say ene me dase am katin o right na epani
yeah well atie voice me kra
o say pode ko sia kwa mera dwuma won kra na ni sense won kra fro be dwuma na ko yafe
oh me say me point dwuma me say na me tuko
na me kan no
e bi won twa 1 hour 30 minutes
yes
1 hour 30 ene so kra akonkoko wonim sa hatu kwa ore kwa ba kwa be 1 hour
we quite see traffic dey untimi ene kwa ne nye kwa ne nye first ni dey
utimi we no all won be
we kwa mai we production room ni hu fi free has of folk stories nko a ope hu aka
ni na watwitwa tidi ni na
yo opani ansa na no ma me fa we nwuram ansa na ya to aso se wati yewura oseko fidinda
sa yo no
nyana nanu mai ko ya osi you say no osi anye konfo aswe na yasi
FM akwaduru no kwa say di you ya de edidi you area
na area
yenyama himfiefo no ya sense of David a modern radio station obe transfer be you
ade yo nya kasa
David open
kwa kwani ma yiyo na free ho
ene fa area she ho
area bari fu mo yakọ anim na ore o se kofi na ode asem bia tudwa ma me ankasa kwa me obo ade enwa adwiri me
aba no aka asem
na me nim se wo so tia ebedwiri wo
okay
se abrantie kura no o papa yi onya abrantie sa se de o ye papa pani na anya interview we kwa na me nim se obo Accra House of Folk krada woni se de bia body deep akotoko na ba adwiri o se kofi kotoko o se kofi kotoko sana osiakan awo kotoko na ekwan yo fa so efiri House of Folk
obo Hassan san
obo kotoko
ba kotoko na oba ya eje no man din
I say Hassan de kun no
o Hassan
de kun no nya ne ye no de ba kotoko
bia nsa wo ken se wo kra na wonim kra so obo Hassan
na me ka say
because Hassan de obo na
kwaku nim say kwaku ben sati hai anya hankwa ne first radio station wa yaduma ba wonya boni din pa Adom FM na obi ara
because Adom FM
Cherry Justice
untie because Adom FM so change station so yaduma onye station yaduma papa bia change Adom FM station papa ben na change Adom FM yaduma o ka kire me hwan ya
no BBC
na me kra man chinchini sa
kwaku
so hu
yo
na bo station ni dia engoko ana he
da ya dai
ado bezu ana
ba ya da ya
asma me si me wa na no credit
kwa me na bezu ana
e ma yi o ba so
me say waye duma
o se ko fi asam na me ka
waye duma jeri tu waye duma station papa bi chan Adom FM ana
na word papa na we so ba so say
dia na papa o iPhone we use phone papa bi chan no ale ne ya kan okra on pese be kan okra
Jalabia. Kwaku, ute akwan fast free akra so fu kopie mu okotokwa. Eya me hosem. O de chese na ne papa epis
ka ma me nchechire ore ansa no ato aso. Obi say iCloud no betimi abreki but omu ntimi ehunu nioma na ewo mu no.
But they can still break it.
Yes, no ma use
the phone dey betimi use.
Ya na no person na ewo mu no de. Enya de obe ende odo beko wo. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, she said the open to atro boy say bisa no boko. Ade phone na
ya. You saw phone there. Ajira na contraband was why na nyehu sa.
Because enyama wa
oh there be me kwasa de na menye sense e ma bi ada pa be dead sa
mu se no de se nka sa
but de nkofo de send me de say Raymond say opewu weekend bia no polo kakra be piem no so opewu be twa download e bo kra ba e blare
nti person
o download wi asa no say ade ye nkofo ayi bia but untimi so delete e bi wa ye nika no wa jade wo so what I say but pass me yanka say me
o de aye update
Sami yanka say me yi bi ho say me say me ho
na bi ho kra ya na oyire fi nti oni boss pe na aka o say we so kra e kan o yi
ko say no so nsua hu no na man for say nsua me nyi no the act of making love you need to learn
ebinum dey talent
you have to learn
Openi
kwakwa no crow
obia ni kire me hwe
ebinum dey
but what's by using women for ba we obetro bibi obawie no but
ebinum dey talent
but the beauty
I'm telling you
sometimes
unim say adomache dey
one so a ye ne wan hie ye isu ye sua de free
na make atro
I am pa
obi so kwaku obi wa unchin sa but
da bi o me nka say wa chinchin e bia ubetimi ahia obi etse de wo kan say wa ben dada no ni experience no wo no
obi ahia
obetimi da bia he wo tumi so betimi ahia bia fi ho say wo say atie mai say mi say me ma ro obi a chese de o chere
aka ma wure mbesi
na we nam say
I just say
capacity building na
eno sa no o de aka
takwa kufanya say bikura usi so kra man tiantia kwa na unya uko sia kasia
na wa kasa da wi afi akwa ba baby
ngomo na ye di ni emu
ara dia wa mama kwa ba da
akwa ene mana kwa ba sana ba wi o say ko fiscal na
ene unofficial mayor of Kaswa akwa ba
so be memu
kwaku na o say ko fiscal na okobo kotoko because o pesika ma ne papa ko ja na yere
ne papa ko ja na yere
step mother na o say asetina na ma me no
ne papa ne tina
obekunu ansan wawu
tina se okobo na
kanen no so mami kire mi se obeja o yere agi se usum no
ene na egusu ho nya se
se de fa ba no kra wu
dabi hwe wo be koy ene agi se nye
ya sensan o ko agi se bia no eno
pa no se court de bia masa wo ya dan a wo besum
usum de an
sa de ukoje na ya odi ene ma u jana mana kono
enso na de ko na okay uni say
u ya yi wo ma anyo he
isum na to no wa na sorry minko sum ni to be da hwe me mana ma me mi sum wo bia
kasa keke ne ka no nyeze wu sum na twa bia
mi sum mi me mpa yin
u pesika de agya ne kwan what you say
wo mo so mo ma wona hwe je usika no be di bi
e bi sa kwa me ko say no obeje ana de
e bi so no no ahu say efie nye
mi ja wa re me shirt tu tu si mi ko sum wa bia na bi ko sum
ba se unu onim so wa asase otopo
o da bi za ta no to wa asase no na ai Mr. Efon kra wo nhia no za ta
mo ja kasa mi nya story mi ko
okay
ma sama amanfo ni mi too much anya o ni tu ko be no bi kama brabo ma sem too much na mu bi no pe paku papa ni chese o asetina na ne step mother no ne papa te no a
step mother ne wan
ayi ne papa ayi
so unya no man ni story
ne papa ire ne step
mother ne wan
dabi o step son na zo ya ban man step mother no so ya wan aba mami
ori aba mami kwa ku jo se papa e ba ne nchen e wo camp abra na wo house of folk camp ono ka che ne se afraid you person ko jai wo ba no na yeso on tua 30 pounds sa tam 30 pounds nye sika ketwa enti sese no opelon out bako ko tua but oso Kofi ankasa o ka no credit o ka say na sa tam house ni gye ne ho na oye the eye of the team ka o ka kire mpanifo a enko metua sa sika na ma no but esa so no so ho pepre ɛne timu de a ɔpɛ kɔtɔkɔ akɔnti no wanka hasefo mpo
ɛne ɛsɛ nyɛ sɛ yinti no ɔkɔ ba ɔno ana ɛpɛ so ɔkɔ na da bi deɛ wokan deɛ kwame asɛn sɛ defiti asɛm ana wokan
sɛ wotie story ni wi abɛte asɛm
dabi kwaka story yɛ wi
kwakutie deɛ ma kɔtɔkɔ ne ba mu wobɛte asɛm yɛkɔm ɛsɛ story no ja
udum volume
wo yɛ bɛti mu sa na yɛ ɔya
kwakutie me nsa kunkun ɛyɛ ɔya me nsa yɛ metimi fancy hɔ yie kura anyɛ deɛ ɔsɛ me yɛ wo bɛtim no
ma mi ti nwom no kwaku woni deɛ kɔyɛ yɛ
ɔbɛni sɛ nipa nsa so wɔmfa so paa mesɛma mu anga menim kura
kwaku ɔsɛ Kofi papa wa hu na ɔde kaa bi na yɛ adwuma na kaa na ɔde yɛ adwuma na yɛ ɛyɛ kɔtɔkɔpani bi ɛdea tie ne yie paa nti papa no te sɛ
mɔntɔ japadeɛ
ne nua no ehia sika ne papa no ehia sika ana oyi na so tere sɛ media deɛ betuma yɛ aboa ne sɛ 30 pounds menya bia ma wo na mmom oba ɔsɛ Kofi no mana bɛ kɔtɔkɔ
mani free sa team no
kwaku tie ne yie paa ɔsi sika ne deɛ bi wɔ hɔ bi
ɔpani yie
Well, say we kotokoni. Because they kotokoni.
That's why I'm making it pass when you been let me state here today say menye kotokoni ntu ye ka asem a ya menka say me ba bi e da na me de to
o so ko boti papa say
me ka say me say openiye me say papa ne peniye
no hando no nye
ya me wo problem obi problem obi e boa asolve problem na ma na wa say mo akọ boti wa we nya open oye
ope hwan yi
ope papa ne ba ni na yi. That is why one he is offering the 30 pounds and also fronting for the son to play for Kotoko. Because when we say moving from one team to another, no, sika na dey be cost a chain baby or one. And if you penny here for me,
fast forward.
Na me carry out say me Kotoko ni.
Ade we kra wo jihu achi hu yam mama. Wo be house folk ma papa de ka. Na
Kotoko place no
meba
kotoko players na bushefo
nyɛ kotoko me atua waka ama wa na wote ha se yɛ dɛ
dabi papa na kasa ntimi yɛ den papa na ɔsɛ Kofi papa etwi ni kaa no ɛna ntimi yɛ den pɔfo
dabi nyɛ sa ne
yes ase o do me papa no
pɔfo
na nim ni papa wo kasa
ya ade ni wa
ase o be ko kra na o yɛ obusuani o
o de management member yɛ supporter kakra
obri o de yɛ mfa ne sɛ
obri sɛ o be ko hwem kra na yɛ ni busuani o de wa yɛ ne ho do me
so if aboni amenye o
afi e wa go hwe mu na ko timi ofa e na sa se mu apo we has management member e na wonim se me member eni bobo me nso me hia sika
e be wie na ko timi ofa na fi o so ko dwa to
so wonim se me ba no ni bobo o de bo has anka open die na obe
me nya sa me bo se me ma wa me nka se ko fa ba ma ne be bo ayi
nka no pre
he o so ko fi ko du kotokwa wie
wa wo kan wie na se no o pe kotokwa abonti hwe House of folk team here we obi player bi o mbia nya kotoko bebo
wa sama okay
I'm telling you
yakowa no
me si mutimi
e die na kotoko bi ni house
osuso kase ebinum menka fa omu nyina asese yo chasa omu team wa house o ka so nko kotoko be ka so nko me si obi bo house o ka so nko kotoko be ka so nko
oh e dey kwa bi o ko mai there be switches place free kotoko e bo house house ko bo kotoko
player no ayi
bo premier
ayi se mu asa
ya nya premiership ni yabo ade ne yabo
player bi no gina na so obeba has
na has player be no gina na so obeba
yate no gina na so no ko has o
e wo papa we
enya asem na make enne na make sabre ne se na has
sadu boku mo na
we dey has
opani chemini ma miensa a ewo kotokwa ebi ni house
club of the century has in
club of one century ebrofu Africa last 3 times I go in na udru saying
but 10 years ni usu nko bi da
na takra hunu dia ka fenya patro kwa
unim se omei pani o mu kra no wo no besi ne has nye league da
this year yaje this year yaje
league be na oje
me man be hunu house of cup
dia kotoko dia kotoko da suri
2% dem yi
ana o re feature still at time 1 point ele determine
kwaku fast forward
man for the
okay on for the am kakra
man for the
kwaku enti abantie yi ahomate no bu na kete one company
for na betwa o wo ze ura ho no mu fu ayira wo ze be ama ade atwa nsa
kwaku abantie bu na kete mu ahomate no kopie mu okumase one kra has company for kra na o kan se sare no ye
no no da kete so
sai
sabre no da kete so
ye ka so bi sorry for the kete so abebu
bu na kete
eso abobo kete no
kwaku okopie okumase abonten so
o be no da de empa kra no
na o so koduru ya no be say 8 months no or more border bisa say adentia and say na oda onna has team no aye bosom say other team so ya bosom no udi no
na de do achimo de
udi team ne bone a
you
face the consequences eti I was so surprised that Chastela or face consequences I call the house of folk so also consequences the consequences
abanya de do achi kwa mi o
enti
consequences na de a
and say
ne krakra wo consequences na
and say oda no one the two the draw kwaku
edutuo
and no me try aka tell say me nkwa sore ba me gidi say de odi be ye obi bia obenya so akatua enti na me suro bone
na the team ne ma me dia
adenti no obi asan wo wo sata kwa league wo ka ho me age league na obi se be bobo kra kakra
ade odwane koe
odwane ono ka se no mutom
da bi onti de meka na se odwane ya nya nkrata asem no ofiti ya no ko boy
ya se ya be nkrata asem oso odwane ahomache a wankra so mu oni we se be den afi wada kwaku oso to da bia wada ho be so obobo owiem obobo me ahwe nti 8 months na nka board nti konfo bi a wo kuma se na bo ano akese oyi suma free na chi a wonya akwan ekosi akan no
ene e konfo no chi
konfo ko bo ni din obo ko bi se be konfo di bia ba na de wa wunya sa de anka e konfo
ni so poko free obo has da
poko free de minim so obo has
oh sure
ai minim so obo has minim so obo has
abani ne kwa mi akonfirm edutuo basa team has folk eto
asema me ke ba ka dutu asem
uso bobo mi ahwe obu ya obeso dan na obobo wiem de
na ono na ka se okoda no wona
na wa kan ko fa Chastela de a yebu ni nam nyina be ka ho
no ibu ni nam me se udi team ni bone a you will not go scot free
bone ni de se obo team na ya betua sika mama ya fa no ko no
na sa ono boa
Chastela de be ma musika and you fa no ko so still am to
the circumstances na Chastela de ko
and I know
you don't remember
ningo pram MP Sam George e kan se bi no be mu twabo no but asemi na kwa me bo ade confirm wa hey kwaku asema okan ono support Arsenal otuani dues is $1,000 every year me boa $1,000 is $1,005 I stand to be correct
$1,005
but support us for comfort capre Emma has for because o discount mo kwa kutu odru
wankasa
okan say
wankasa
story na waka na sa story na free man dey basis am no nye ma ye din na hwe wa so be
wankasa na me oti kromo ase na so utua dues ma Arsenal so ne wo na opera wo
dues so wankasa okan say
ejenu de we
story no chere say as of no discount mo de betu odru
ono di enim de kotu aduru ta man wa na gese ko no wo no on fa
MP no bi bo na ni so nya asem wo de also ka say dia
on fa bo ga nya so sa Sam George no
also discount mo de kwa kotu odru na ati a confirm
na ho commissioner ayi onyama no be province commissioner ayi am say Holland Netherlands so one of Australia. Australia.
Where you say Netherlands?
Australia.
Also, Nana.
And yes, I have a na ya no okubi ya no office.
Obi was
in Gobunanga.
Also, Nana.
Onu ndi Gobunanga ha.
Open the channel call Australia. Or you don't know. I was surprised the whole MP to be in no casa.
Yabu am na manfo.
So ambassador channel call
Australia. The ambassador no be na so say bibia no omu di agire. Hwe.
Kwaku say that diplomacy as.
Onko di obi ga achi oni ma ne amono no yeze waba wo. Yasem na kan. Obi ato ngwama ne ga asra na.
Ato procreate.
Obi procreate asra ba no wato.
Abadi enu asem a yaka ho asem aka ma haso folk for ntia se emfa won enkusi hwe je no se kofia be ka asem ya e confirm ni nsem aka se obi be bo haso folk team unim se team no de oka no enye omo a se be omo free okokotoko nko a se has team na omo anton amo anko ne bia even ill treatment within the team na yeso oja ho akokakra bia no anu ahwa bo akosai
kwaku
bisa omo a edi enya mrasem
football na mra wo mu o
enya mrasem na meka eya be yisem na meka be ye ni adutro haso for players afọ ayi player bi ni afa no Yuri Asante wagu kra
no komo bo Tunisia
o yen ko Tunisia no say no ne nta ekwa boy fa so bre ye hu de ye na
ari na free team o de nta wata na free team
I'm treat nipa no mo treat ni ye nipa na nya offer person
you boy you follow
Mr. Chastela
so be free Arsenal I tokwa ama nipa ekun
Chastela ne don botem office nko mo nya na brochi amoma nko yes obekope and we wanna be there
and okro mu ni say players no say bebre ho na education of from the contract no I end the cry say end 2 years no sign ya na obehu ane de bia so so am na 3 years one dey need 2 years no obo
ade necessary basa
the players no
dey who anya say na ku question na
the players no
but it's not right
just tell the anya say see
it's not right it's not right
you see and any hana papa now I will go 18 years I go sign 10 years I will go you
tima obo match is obo powder
papa contract was sign my
footballers obi awade oye obi awade
TV free na obo powder
obi awade brand obi say obi awade brand
true powder say
obi awade brand
o true powder say I know that picture pack
I know they both teams you know me
obi awade brand
ayi vutinye bi de bia
and they want so waka samokwe uka powder waka samokwe
me money gi o
and me money gi ama play no no powder e bobo samokwe pe
we are square busy
na dey no
powder obi awade brand abedi pele na enyu ba ko sana tipo
and any crowd mo boys no bo bebre
obi awade ope
na say na ndi Dustin so ebisi ne kwachi za
ebe pani onu so ekobo
abedi pele de ne bitua
and a sign of growth
papa keke upon time oh yeah na wala stabo asem passport akwa bia wase kotokofo kofa konfo be she konfo be she dem konfo no so na pa sausage
odinanum
ya no otebo
ya kanche amfwe kotokofo kofa no be she dem oh both teams nyina dey duro dey on me
kwaku the lady was a friend returnate say I wish I can visit you guys returnate we ready I had a problem here
you say the area about duty say reta ma yare no confirm e ko na beba wa ba why
obo abra ya won pone
kwaku
obese no sma
ya won pone ya zebra
we say league na ya den has to focus ne kotokofo so far we yan fa saka be 9 matches no bo
we so mo yan bo kashiri
free china ko mo che ba ko free we beka 8 na nsem bia hyase epiepie ba kotoko wono rapper won kan ha e friend no ni dako yes idia o me friend no ni dako na has for just akoka simbi se openi oda efia no openi kit okraku wo ma yo ma jese kotoko league no pa de o mo munye
omo makotoko enye
league no na se de tibia has na bagie
na kotoko ni timi bon ho modern na no winning games na obeden
una se sisi o musisi nkrofo openi
na no na has for kata tintin dia baze ni da ko omra no fa chopa emra emetwiansem no nsan izanze
has for someone kan hwe omo nsoma no
omo gire just watch omo bo sa ko nti omo kan hwe na mu ana audio bia ba bedadwa audio no it is alleged say has
and omoka
supporters no mpanimfo ni baako na wadi nkomo na asem wo kan nyina ye league ho nsem me de nkran no bi wa mentintu de yentie ne no kwa be so nkran no be chirechire baabi ye kan nkran no
okay
baabi obanyi ankasa tinka
yenti
oresu na enye ya ma yenfre
yenti ode on frère papa does how many okay yenti
the that will not allow Nana to win the league for Kotoko. No, it's not going to happen. So, problem is no one Cats wants it to be said that, Cats be the FA president, you know, and I had to forget then. A G League, 10 years we don't G. So you don't want Nana to win the league to be like, the now company back Kotoko first season never will league. No, you people you don't know what is going on. This is the issue. So all we need to do is push a little bit, like when we are on the second position like this. Yes, the players alone cannot win this league for us. This league, it's ours to lose. So Wakaji referee say too much. Don't go near the referee. You know what I'm saying? Don't even go there. Leave this work to the NCC. Let them go. All the players in the league, they are very close with the NCC chairman, Elvis. So what they need to do is, okay, we'll be playing the matches for some of the teams. So those following us, we have to at least lead them by maybe 6-7 points. Okay, so the team that they are going to play with, you tell them, okay, I'm giving you this amount of money. Make sure that you win that amount. When you win, I'll give you. If you don't win, then your own palaver. But the ones that we are also going to play against, the defender, keeper, Asa. Defender back blam go pull them no clear blam we trashi. Happy. But then I can't hear parents say no more bata. Dojini. Oh, mogo po banye femini. Play opponent to more clear boy banye chew pull them. So now the 9 matches, all the away matches that we are going now, we need to pay. You buy.
Tina yakase football and no green muno. Ebiani but one an say they should go down voice way who is behind this voice say oh yeah has
NCC National Chapters Committee and I make confirm by journalistic standards. It's a very good question and I say who is talking. But a bam mafia moi. We
are media person. Now we use media principles. Now we use mafia.
And then you're going to my dear friend media principles.
Now go use mafia.
And then you're going to this is bad for Ghana football, honestly.
Over there and near say. I'll pull a lane in an enemy.
So are you trying to tell me, say it's only guys who support Accra? So what are you talking about?
Messi pull a lane in an enemy. And I can call
you baby call you. No, Anka
Ebeko Koyese Kotoko, and some nini dean near Bankamai. Can I bet you mamma at 12?
They tell me 12, I say.
Oh, said the one because I was here.
What's now, boy? I have my voice. We are American.
And I'm a catcher. What's no is talking?
Yes,
who is talking? No, yeah. And
I was watching okay. Also, I do bet you must already. A same way, my Eka, a same be Hama make us say, Seligia Yabu, Nigana boy, Yabu, Pubia, favoritism, Baquamanoa, a house of folk. Mompecasor could be mamma. Mompecasor could ne clerical mammy. This
voice until we are able to identify who is behind the voice.
Okay, can I say something?
Say something.
There's something. There's something.
Oh, Nyabutre.
There's something.
Someone now make TT. I didn't yet.
Ligia boy. Ya bought Bempia, what I teach team be a team professor. Team Marco Bess and Nayamon last for my
says here, what if Kwakwe? What if voice here ye all bought national chapters
devil's advocate part 1 and 2 devil's advocate
Kotokofo here
and
say said the Yabebo has Dibone now and also Timia favor Kotoko in trying to win what I say. Who's answer to me?
There is justice here.
Sometimes I dance here what to me.
But wait there, wait you
the last 4 matches first voice
because Kwame Adeba Kai and Kremu eba latter part when I eat dangerous so I say and your ball the friendship no
and conform matches
what I say
football
who's the defender also bet me across or passing ball now what I say
we don't know who is talking to be the same way as
I told you me who say me nyawa meyo ene madam ho so nenam ye league e boye ne da soro ti de be ye ne say
mo yire mo na
matches ye be wini ye wini a e an mo be get points no mo fa bye
ene mo ni players no na enkasa yi
ye no mo nkasa
especially mu defender because one hwe ye na when to one say the one can who say defender na so clear ball na one power say
obeni what I say ye no obi ankasa ye team no players wo munyina wo ye blaster materials ye onipa be 4 kra me kasi afro mo blasters eju wa kodi house fuku enka pre ne simple achi
na wakogu ho anim ase ne ayi blast
it has been established say ade we every day camp of heart of folk Togo insa chase
oh nka se Togo insa
na fe no mo kekan ene mo man nkonko ho sa na atiefo no kasa and digest
all things ni nkonko mo ne edie
atiefo no kasa and digest so mo hu ni
na atiefo support kotoko chemi ana mimi ya kotoko supporter na me kama adwen dia asem na agen
ko de kra nsa na ma wie ho no a league ne senya me amfafi aye mo nwie
se sinti
abusia do of sa se mo kanie Almost say one minute
Lagos City oh story ya me de ba
you come and referee one
the points the points as points no o ma ya appeal na chi no o ma san atwero krata so an kufu ade am lawyer say on fa ni nkyere court na on fa injunction to league ni so ti ya ka o ma say
league na since normalization enya bi mo no a enya kakra bo no
e be ba wie na nse ya ni pa da so na ewi
I'm going to dance like some
metawachi.
Kwaku, I'm story no. You should hear say ya. Okay. You tell me say ya bobo no first half.
Yeah.
Referee for echo share them one omo kwatwa aba no. And na
e hono na threat no course.
What you say? One hwe yi a.
Referee na beka you.
Referee na beka you.
What the referee no one hwe yi a. Mu di match we mu
nkofi. And when he realized his life was in danger. And no yeah na adwe say the old
is ya manen kan wie.
Ma hwe yi a match we mu di wie a.
Manen kan wie.
And na nkofo di ehu. Anko di match ni bi.
Yeah.
Mibusa keke.
Yeah.
Yeah, top most league aye bo ha and a premiership here.
Yeah.
So, you was supporters be enan bia. Omo so powerful. I say security aye presence I was stadium one. Say sana tie dia kwaku. We are joking here.
Kwame asema okay.
We are joking.
Do this.
We are joking.
No one account
na. They say draws for no crash say omo no nipa no mchese omo ko omo ni mo so omo
you see
can you imagine
yes and we cannot depend on just the account na pen here from conclude say sana na tie no
omo an supporters cry na they can say you do omo fashion to be frank with you and ordinary
the court na betray
because if there was security every match bia your commissioner making sure say bibia or pepe why is it that referee Beckers will be about 13 because of that
are you passing to
continue with the rest of the game
and Arsenal Manchester match I would say be a Wembley ball yes supporters be I say referee for no 8 minutes no security said you already twem ya mobile no
me no
it doesn't make sense.
Security advice say referee mo twabo no so
referee say one BM and there's no security can force
being that
and nobody can force the referee to the stadium.
Because referee no one kwa na say obekan those decision I'm taking oh yeah right. Oh yeah right 100% right. Now me we are Ghana ni brand here about Leicester City.
Yeah.
Amati.
Yeah.
How many Chelsea FA Cup?
And Chelsea.
Chelsea.
And Kaswa don't Chelsea back.
Chelsea say.
I hear the for Kaswa the Chelsea.
Kaswa Kaswa the woman mo.
Yanka Chelsea.
Miss Chelsea, and Chelsea.
No ma.
Yanka Chelsea. And Chelsea say. Who is Chelsea? Na Chelsea dey Chelsea say.
So the name
there will be a new measure that catch Chelsea or catch Chelsea the elder basa. But this Chelsea. No, Chelsea. No, Chelsea. And Chelsea say. Oh, I'm do up am catch Chelsea. Chelsea say.
Chelsea.
O can you muso no catch news do can you.
Mamenye. Me catch Chelsea supporters from Ghana say.
Yeah.
Chelsea na wa brochire no.
Yeah.
Womo ema womo bibia o.
Oh, what are you talking about?
Yes.
Give them joy.
Nya no kra na meka. Wonim say do mu CD boy na tema Ghana. And they are saying say ni na mu kra mu na my friend just who support to Chelsea, who per Chelsea as some chain. Ghana ni ba no. Check him anyhow who contribute to him man.
The team is say our hands and
Odri, you should understand say game of football there some of these things and you wish and the upper back can be quite to be. I mean it is just by way of say yes will be.
Yes grown idea football game no montias.
Quick one
Liverpool. Michael Owen no free Liverpool. Ako Real Madrid yes Jesse number 10 Jesse. Omo Fernando Torres. One so oko, one mo shine Jesse. Danu ya Coutinho, one mo shine Jesse. What bibi?
Dabi.
Idi na chen we.
Dabi say
just adena penalty not gu kwado. And kum. Brofo no mbumfu omo nkan masem. na wo Ghana ni wo nua Ghana ni ayade na wo betra social media di na temwa
akufado ya ofado no so aya oba life aya read
president ya hunde oba ya hunde o ni
oba ya read comment
obi those days ni dey o ka so be di achi a
dem pese o mo ti ase ne se amate bo na obolo nyesika Ghana oba be adwuma Chelsea player yi
ya kra ti kra program ya we kro bi du atem na kra wo say o te bi obi du kra wo ye so
Chelsea player bia o te abrofo mbo Chelsea ni nyina obi eni ho a o benya ne sika dia be adwuma amate
o ade ria na Adidio Droba be ya scouting wo kroma se be boss ceremony ama
yen sorry
come nya sa no mo ye
buko banku ma me afrim
I heard about it.
Yeah. Me ankasa so me sister na yenu kuno akese weekend ni ebeko. Nti me nua kwesi mentane yaw
o ye dey say dey o si abo ho dawura chi say dey don beba.
O se covid nti enya ne sa.
No, enya za so ye ho na.
But say say radio ya me ya perform aketua. Mfa so kakra menya ne say ayi aba mi kromu mabusu ma matimi asi. Fa so bi anse da masa.
Dey say wusi ye ye si en kondodo na wusi nya do na ofre.
Oh that be. It is not akese. Ampaye dwa an.
Ye say unim say do dey kura ye be.
Sa John dey no so ye Thursday. Hono dey. Kwaku
yenya mampe yenya wore. All right, your first like say ma boost herbal mixture aka police na do no papa unya bia eboa e boost immune system no e me bare ahode mapa abamu say the be infection bia ba na no fight against it come on yare bia hinta woni padua no unya kra me aware of sa yare kona eno abehwe akontia sa yare no be the 2 weeks ni na akle bibia na ahode mapa atimi aba onso owe de emu omode answer de wani be chimu workings work eba duro bia ohia bia sabeka Budama Pharmacy, Ekus Pharmacy, Tribal Judah Pharmacy, all tenanted and dependable about shops are holding in Emu, Ebi, Ewo, and I do any chim away health, I let shop at St. John's and so Benebi. Sanso and a Little George Health Shop, yeah, no so Tema Committee 5, Ebi, Ewo, yes, our phrase 0243 115 948 and a 0246 208 496. As they do your farmer Royal Drinks, I'll see you go like them. We drinks I would watch say ni na e dey yipa sort royal apple, royal cola, royal orange and then royal cocktail and on any perfect flavors now we here so go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy royal drinks in so many flavors 2 series 50 pesos ubinya bi ewo shops near stores and supermarkets I would only in there do pa no free Casapreco Company Limited an ISO certified company L0262 351 251 afi 0272 133 373 Royal Drinks or see you go like afi yan fast dama Go TV or see and can trust the final stretch of the football season with its fierce rivalry and devastating outbreak is finally here and also be stay connected Go TV so I enjoy captivating moments on La Liga, Serie A, Premier League and the Akanina and make sure you stand by your team until the very end. This is football worth watching and you can't afford to miss it. Oba connected from as low as 48 Ghana cities where using my Go TV app. Now I witnessed the thrilling finale of a first of its kind football season this May. Go TV. Love it. And no and chichim kakra and so and no. Na abusia yensha wenso nyame eya domwa eye Benetton Music Group and the Magdan Group of Companies at the Angloga Junction the 1 year anniversary virtual concert April date no the 22nd of May 2021 just a Saturday na 6 p.m. na Jumedino Asha sia ye biemu a baso ewo Bayview Village wo Atomic Junction nti aya na mabomodен Asha nso sa ede ama yen Branabe experience history with 3 different stages and 1 extraordinary performer. One God. Now you were never heard before renditions. No. A few of favorite songs. Yeah, no Stone Boy are producing one. No. On one a beshe ejinemu. Now why make those performances na any for a limited VIP experience? But more the answer be free 054 5477 777 for reservations. Na bibia akoye. Ubetimi log on to www.ticketmiller.com. Now we're streaming live at 30 cities only. Sa Jumedie, Adom TV, Joy Prime, Joy FM, Hits FM, and Adom FM. Etechi den any of the bro. Shen so say COVID-19 protocols are doing in our na ya observe bibia kama pa. Na yes so na we enkaibo and I yede so the 6th mobile annual national conference and so bus we 2021 edition. Na nyame adom a no so Saturday the 22nd of May 2021 anopa 10 and sa conference ebe take place at the Asbury Danwell Chapel Methodist Church Ghana Conference Office Wesley House energy media ebeba so, but it will be via Zoom, not just on by the afa Zoom also na Zoom link no enam de ma we so be try to preko dia na che say wabomodea atwatum http://bit.ly/manc2021 Zoom link. Not just say ni na ba ko na boom na che say bi etimi akọ eye dia na pre-conference registration link no so ene de ma we and also http://bit.ly/2021 MANCRSVP. Not just say what me edia registration or kama. Or just say we a general meeting for all old boys of Infantipim. Kwaboche Jin Shekan. Not just say no share no. Ever to us anim na yashe diaka edia so so ma mema remfise enchibia ebehwe na yetimi ede Filanso Atwaso Ediamo Adom 106.3 FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. This one here says, Jerry, greetings. So please wish my sister Cherry Mame Abena, former student of All Nations University, now with Danimax Company Limited. Wish her a happy birthday for me. I also ask for God's blessings, protection, long life, and above all, good health for her. From Elsie, Afo, and the children. We love you, sweet sister. Not just say the day so edebae no. Okay. Sana tia dia obi ansana obeko no. Anka dwuma we me de makwa me ayena aye yi hwe se obetimi akan birthday dedication we are from Osofagos papa ni hwe se obetimi o si
tin sano
o de kan o de nya tin keke de azenge o de make the attempt to read it o de kan say de obi
through grace and through his hana semino
was it through grace
rheumatological abrasion the Lord permitted you to be born, and this same grace has brought you thus far, keeping you safe through every religio, political, socio-economic impetus. This same grace will traject with you in all your endeavors for the next 365 days. Benedictionally, actualize his purpose for your life. May all the nets you are pulling land squarely before your optical nerves, and may you before your optical nerves, and may you never lack joy and peace and good health in long life. Chloroplastic esophagus. What's it? Chloroplastically interspersed with prosperity. Happy birthday, yes, sister. Second one esophagus to my dear sister, Mrs. Julia Apia.
It is Mrs. Julia Apia. Brofo kesi you know. Papa ni they wish you happy birthday. Why? Okay, I'll say hello, Jerry. I hope you're doing well. Please, Mr. Raphael Mesa, known as Raf, a teacher at the Salvation Army JHS Mamprobi, is celebrating the birthday today, and together with my children, we want to wish him all that he wished for himself. From Shelley, Tracy, Kelvin, Israel, we all wishing him a happy birthday. Omdi feel to be a koshi and a baye. Na I'll say hello, Mrs. Comfort Ama Amunwa Riafe from Tema Committee 9, and I want to thank God for adding 1 year to my years yesterday. Yeah, great you have a wife no. Ono so susu anu kunu nti. Ni kunu send message, obit message ba ko betimi send 1,000 we. Na yere no so we, the same message was sending 1 2 3 4.
Repeat uncle.
Yeah, same message ba ko send we ade. Ya munya wotre. Okay. All right. So abusia yentwa ho na fe ba yemfa de aka ento aso.
Hey. When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Abama Huaden.
Refuse to grow. Any offense back.
Ahwade immune system or Yankopon, and you're ready for Yadmusa Moya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the Duanwa, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dodua dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Yina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a hoka. No, Yamwa suing in no, a boy who buying every home. And now Pa, one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Moma who are deep in tea. Ya Omuntim Pose, Yaria Esomo, Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kansi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, at to form friend 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jadi and Kratui Maja to Musay.
It's time to believe in you. We are changing, so should you. If you're dreaming, don't be afraid. And in the valleys, keep your head up high. Dare to dream with Puma drinks. Puma. Yeah, believe it, you can achieve. Puma. Oh yeah, clap your hands for the whole new vibe. Make we set the place on fire. Oh yeah, come alive. Let me hear you.
Puma Drinks, a whole new vibe. Another quality product from Casa Precon.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
I want to swaswomuno. Ghana Fonina da Adia Bakwedi. I yesenia yeshaya dase. Yajibia Elfa Kwemutu. Nanso, what I near Baku. Can we reach your Koma Wahuadia? What the best show what dase? Ghana a Mamre Kwanso. If we say, I'm Fahu baby, I will beko. A Dana Mary, no, Yini Nani, a panese. Ahwadia, ye deshesa, a dafa fayaselo. Ye benam so aswaba.
Shawuda si Ghana Mamre Kwanso. Bipia Dani Dubedubia. Ewa Wadia, when you feel Kadri Richoku. I had the Ghana Kuku Papa Bina Ayenimu. FD Ashisha say Trading Kratwim Ajatmise.
Bernity Music Group and McDonald Group of Companies presents Unlocker Junction, the 1-year anniversary virtual concert. Date is 22nd May 2021. Gates open at 6 p.m. sharp. Venue is the Bayview Village Atomic Junction. Experience history with 3 different stages and 1 extraordinary performer. One God. The journey to Unlocker Junction will be full of non-stop excitement. For limited VIP experience and entry, call 0545-477-777 to make your reservations now. Log on to www.ticketmailer.com to stream live. This event is supported by Big Boss Energy Drink and Techno Mobile. All COVID-19 protocols will be strictly observed.
Proudly brought to you by Hits 103.9 FM, Joy Prime, Joy 99.7 FM, Adom FM, and Adom TV.
Hey, Ama. Missy ne, boy be a misiano. Real deal, package and casa. Tall, dark, pink lips, muscular with 6-pack. Handsome, with designer clothes and shoes, baby. Girl, he wasn't playing at all. Hey, that. I was eyeing him the whole time. Sonia Mitchell, I strategically positioned myself in front of him. And then he opened his mouth and said hello. Oh, we're ready. And Capelli. Hey, oh, slow.
Don't let this happen to you. Use the new Blue Close-Up Cool Breeze toothpaste. It comes with a new minty flavor for long-lasting fresh breath. Stay fresh with Cool Breeze, because blue is the new cool. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Introducing new Super Yogo, a new fortified frozen yogurt from Fan Milk. Super Yogo contains vitamins and minerals good for your body and well-being, like vitamin B2 and B6, important for overall health and brain development, as well as assisting the body with energy production to keep you going all day long. And calcium for healthy bones and teeth, so you can go that extra mile with a smile. Enjoy natural goodness and nutrition with new Super Yogo, available either plain or an exciting lemon flavor. offer. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Jedie wo melkom ayeke se asanso ayesron kokra. Esan se melkom wonyama impimpim awodro wo ne shop mo te se electricals, efie nyoma, enkunya, electronics, edemo siesie nyoma, eni induane awodro bebre intino. Amadwedie aye enika. Enigisem melkom biaya dwedie nyina wo faako. Nanso kai se Mrane shishaye dahon. Melkom, where Ghana shops.
Hey, no, what you ready? It's what senior ma. Yeah, what is something special become mania shapeana. Adio. Aha, Samika. Oh, maybe omonesi. Omo kwa. Omo dine boshe soda. Ne tutunke kadia si defe. Sese so die. Ni ram no chankasa. Omo die. Dada na koneni. Na fragrance no.
Chewontadia musa. Omo extra fresh. Tutunke kadia se kura. Ejadian craft we FD ahwehwe mu agye atum say ye.
Mommy, today I'm upset.
With me?
I love you, Mommy, but it's my rice. It looks and tastes the same. There's no difference.
Let me tell you the difference, dear. Royal Aroma has introduced fortified rice that contains iron, zinc, vitamin B3, B6, B9, and B12. Which means the new Royal Aroma fortified rice may look and taste the same, but it has added essential nutrients.
And that's the difference.
Oh, show me high five. Naturally fragrant grains, great taste, and added nutrients. New Royal Aroma fortified rice. This advert is FDA approved.
With your promotion.
Every 17th May, Ecosi 29th May, Giant Tech Limited, your free cleaning, and my LG products removed. And it's our LG refrigerators, LG air conditioners, and LG washing machines.
For bro, you be cleaning them free. Shusha Giant Tech Limited, and one grind. Speedtex Road, you will oka de kwechipe. And our friend was 0550-780-779. And our toll free, it was 0800-515-515. And Shashaka Crow Giant Tech Limited. Care and delight.
Charlie, with Betboro Ghana, everything not double. Betboro Ghana is giving all our new customers we sign up 100% cash back in free bets up to 400 CDs. This means whether you spend 1 CD or 100 CDs in bets, we give you that same amount back to make more bets and increase your chances of winning big. So visit our website, betboro.com.gh. Sign up and enjoy this amazing offer today. Betboro Ghana, be a player, not a viewer. Please gamble responsibly for over 18s and above only.
You've been preparing for it. The final stretch of the football season. With it comes fierce rivalry.
One of the most eagerly awaited Manchester derby.
Devastating heartbreak.
He didn't get the goal there.
And historic victories. But whatever comes our way, we stand for our teams until the very end. This is football worth watching. You can't afford to miss it. Get GoTV and witness the thrilling finale of a first-of-its-kind football season this May. GoTV, love it.
Umami nyapanua ofumegiano. Unya bemanua de bia ojina fonso no.
Hello, I'm Rosisia.
Wo fase no ochiri bibia.
Da bio mempe, we de mitu.
Watamfo no a, wo ni no adwuma mu a, de bia ono no mu Coca-Cola katwo. Yeni na yeni mobisa nenso omuni wa na eduane di asesa en Kenya braye kabom edi Coca-Cola eji yeni FDAG edwadin krato yato
ye fenna hana asodie ehia me pa ento ma me fra eno na me di tumi ho enti na maji BS na atum prekope efrise ewo moso gwawodra ya frafra emma woni emenimpa ne sanso ma wontuma ye kama afibo BS na eni kuntama eda Wakoma so Sankratway FDAG.
Say, Minia, I don't know Rahusa. I don't Kwame, many me busia for money who can see me bank edi me hwamobio. Sisia na waka kyerem se, wo ma me busia me pedie yen adwuma no. Banking kind so jeans ho a eye twamene bo.
Nka wasa wo ka we kyerem dada. Ma me come for Societe General Ghana ma o. Sa busia we, wo bette no te semape SG Ghana Banking kunya na ma me ne ya etumi ahwehwe mo free school fees ho nsem. Asan ye bia yankasa adwuma kakra yi. Wa ye yen sika semu ahotoso e wa ho hi nyamre.
No credit.
Se busia na ho hia dia, ene SG Ghana Banking. Bibia wo ma me si ho eta from kra. Esan ma me bra, me de betua na ma me ho ahen me. Etumi pokodu abosumi edusia. Minia, wo fata bankia, wo betumi agiedie na wo do ho atoso. De be ma waso adwo wo. Societe General Ghana, any de ye power sitting mu amane hu nyinam. De mabusia ye pa na ehun si hu so from kra. Koyen kra bate duana ye wo man yimu bia mu. Oji busi kasam ho moa. Societe General Ghana, dachi ni ye wankasa. Santo agbo bebe wie wo kuta won sabosomi ane de to so dunsia. Afimpim ye no ne aduonu baako.
Malcolm Shapo, Ojara Yeli Hokome Pegbe, Bianele, Egbe Shahefe, Nijem Mofia Mo Yojara Yanukwale, Nibi Feni Otaole, Obana Yejeng, Yajeswa Wachojin Srotwe, Shia Nibi, Batashi Nibi, Jumli Sain, Shia Samo Nibi, Ni Homo Nibi, Ni Srotwe, Kaye Samo Nibi, Shapo Jara Yeli Emojoban Ye Melko, Shikai Make, Mlaike Akboy, Yeni Fi Moy, Ahifen Yejeng, Melcom, Poegana Shops.
Ofie Kwanso. Jerry Justice on Adom FM 106.3. Slow down.
The 27th annual general meeting AGM baso den na the omune say nyame ya adom on Friday the 28th of May 2021 and as our annual general meeting baso now it will be held virtually. Say there's a BBN virtual order of the day, you know what I mean? It will be streamed live online via gcbbankagm.com and then on GTV as well. And a bank no social media handles make share Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. It is shareholders nina no. Unim say we a shareholder we GCB banker. Yes, so to me visit a bank no website and the AGM website no. Now what downloaded the 2020 annual report no. And I feel so a prosy form no. Now feel what was from there. Now hard copies of the annual report have been dispatched by a snail mail to receptive holders, shareholders no. Been one more the hard copies here send it their mamo. But for further annual general meeting related information no, make sure so be contacted the registrar. And no a share registry GCB Bank Limited, High Street, Accra. And yes, I now have phrase 0302 668 712 and our 0244 338 508. Equal you with me on phrase 0244 318 079 and now 0244 358 514. Emails in our person send there. A share registry at gcb.com.gh. Share registry at gcb.com.gh. Now you twasso from there. And you remember, come for fortune rise, Emma. You know, just like moms know what to do in every situation. All that situation be a man, they all there. Yeah, mom, they know what to do. You know what I'm saying? On best sort out to see how my BBI fine. But the back very worrying. Partners are one way more. Not ensure now they time on one went to me engage at the end of it. And when I booms are not back. On one most nice a mutual can see about when I was husband, they be agree. And I want to years news soon. I answer a penna and money baby all right. So I say gassy or as I enquiry and nothing here come for fortune rise at the amount. Yes, you can trust any of the Fortune Rice brands for all your rice meals for every occasion. We know here just a little water. Meche ensure kitu bi keke. Wo dey for good. Na for sija so. And wa be dan no be e be na correct. E mo no stick it together en kan bom nya ba ko se de utwe mutuo no da bi. Ebe yi mako eno so amoto eda wanum na wudi a yes utim zampa emo no ko ye bibia correct aroma no so boatim say fun him say na frefro now tasting so utim say taste need the ye very delicious, you know what I'm saying. So if you are thinking of cooking jollof rice and now fried rice and now be out rice balls meche mutu any other rice dish be our person prepare no, please think about fortune. Think about fortune and choose fortune and prepare fortune and eat fortune. Where we? Yeah, what a fortune classic and no and a green no and a fortune delight and a orange and yeah what fortune delicious and also a red pack no. So go get yours now and you won't regret it. Yes, we have it. Fortune rice, always on point, just like mom. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, baba. In no time, it's gonna be checkout time. I trust you near Fia, na Kofi. I call home kakra. Or share the aka twaso. Meantime, let me send a quick shout to you, man, like Kwame Afram. Yeah, me I'm a top shotter. You me tongue catcher. I'm a tongue come from. Shouts going out to you. Good evening to you. Yeah. Hope say be cool. All right, maybe I'm not there now, me and one tear say or do, but the reason why I did that, now you don't. And then mommy, yeah, dear me, I'm coming here. You know what I'm saying? Hey, you don't see. That's why I did that. Please, please, please. Hey, you don't need ya. Oh, no. Heart. Queen Rahel Santua. Words can't describe how much you mean to me. You are a real gem, and I love you beyond words. And I celebrate you today, like every day. God bless you and bless your new age. And this one's coming in from Desmond in Accra, Newtown, wishing his queen Rahel Santua a happy birthday. Ain't that lovely? Hey, yo, dude, yeah. Hey. Good evening. Please wish my son, Sir Aaron of Calvary School, Teshi, happy birthday for me. Owaye Teshi Tebibiano. Oye teacher ni your friend is Sir Aaron from Michael's father. My brother Michelle, today is my birthday, so please play a song for me on your show. Lillian Afolabi of PIWC, Graceland, happy birthday to you, and may God bless you. If I try fast, I can say my Vodafone saying can't show say there's an energy inside us all that makes art and music, that pushes science, that overcomes obstacles, cures diseases, and overcomes prejudice. This is the energy that gives us the strength to ask important questions from humankind, the planet, and our society, so we can discover what is best. When this force is combined with technology, then man and technology together can achieve anything and create a better future for all. Technology is nothing without humanity. Together with technology, we can do anything. For more of this, log on to www.vodafone.com/together we can. Vodafone, together we can. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, on that note, yes, it's checkout time already, yeah? Time to bounce out of here and make way for the news at 6 on 106.3 Adom FM. God willing, we are back again same time tomorrow between 3 and 6 p.m. near the freestyle edition, Abriel. As that can say, come on, mom, and then to the team, Papa Bills, African, Jamestown, J. Cole, to Kwame Oba, dear, and I say, I'm for J. Obri Abo Fenten from as well. Your friend Jerry Justice, mention I'm telling you, Chame. Assembly about as always, who shall you and watch and watch reaction is answer Riasimo, Nipa and Seshi. Thanks so much for your time with us, and do have a great evening. We out of here.